Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you a really awesome recipe. It's called Taco Fiesta Bubble Up Casserole, and I found this recipe online at drizzlemeskinny.com, and I will share the link to the original recipe down in the description box below. So this is a really great alternative take on taco night, which is everyone's favorite. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get 1 pound of lean ground beef cooking in a pan, and I'm going to just mix it with some taco seasoning. And while that's cooking, I'm going to go ahead and prep all the vegetables for this casserole. The recipe calls for 2 cups of diced peppers, and you can use any color of bell peppers that you want. I happen to have 2 green ones and a red one on hand, so that's what I'm going to use. Okay, now I'm going to get this onion chopped up. And you can use a red onion, white onion. I happen to have a white onion, so I'm using that. I'm just going to get these popped in there. And there you have it. It was so easy to use. I saved so much time using this food chopper. I'm just going to set these to the side for now. And I'm going to use a little bit of cooking spray in a 9x13 casserole dish. Next, I'm going to get these canned biscuits chopped up into little pieces. I am using a 7.5 ounce package of biscuits. I'm going to use half now and half later. So for 5 of the biscuits, I'm going to cut into 6 little pieces, and I'm going to put those in the bottom of the pan. Just kind of spread it out. And I'm going to go ahead and chop up the remaining 5 biscuits, and I'm just going to set them to the side for now. Okay, here's my ground beef that I had, and I drained the fat. I went ahead and added that taco seasoning packet. Now all I'm going to add to that is 1 cup of salsa. Get that in there and give it a little stir to combine. And I'm just going to pull out this cheese because I'm going to get ready to assemble this casserole now. And the recipe calls for 1 cup of a reduced fat cheese. So, okay, now we're ready to assemble. I'm just going to try to eyeball half of the meat mixture on top of the biscuit pieces. Okay, that looks good. I'm just going to sprinkle in about half of my peppers and onions. I'm not really measuring it precisely, I'm just kind of eyeballing it. Okay, so now I'm going to just use half the cheese, and so this is just a layered casserole. Okay, next is the remaining meat mixture. I'm currently on the My WW program, which is formerly known as Weight Watchers, and I'm following the blue program. Now, depending on your ingredients, like the type of cheese or the type of beef that you use, that could alter your points. If you are following the My WW program, just make sure you enter all the ingredients into your recipe builder so you know exactly what the points come out to be. This recipe comes out for me 5 points per serving, and this casserole will make 6 servings. So what I'll do is I'll divide it up, and I'll have one for my dinner or my lunch, and then I'll freeze the remaining with some frozen vegetables, and I'll pop those in the freezer, and so I'm ready to go for the rest of the week. Okay, so I'm just going to loosely cover this with some foil, and I'm going to pop this in the oven at 350 degrees for about 35 minutes. And then after that 35 minutes, I'm going to remove the foil. There you can see what it looks like. It's already smelling awesome. Okay, just put it back in the oven for about 15 minutes. And there you have it, guys. It is so good. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.